Welcome back. This is knitting lesson 3B. I'm adding an amendment to knitting lesson number 3 because I did show you how to purl, but I only showed you how to purl straight across, and I think it would be valuable to know what do you do if you're in the middle of knitting and then you need to purl. So this is my piece that I was doing a stockinette stitch on, and I'm just going to continue and I'm going to do a couple of knit stitches in here. Let's do about 5. And then I'm going to throw a purl in and show you how to switch from a knit to a purl in the middle of a line. So 3, remember when I'm knitting I'm going in from the bottom of the stitch and I'm yarning over, pushing it down and sliding it off, and I'm going to do one more. Now pay attention to this because this is the important part. My working yarn is behind my needle here, and it just starts out that way because I started knitting, right? So I'm yarning over, pushing it down, pulling it off. Now if I need to do a purl stitch here, my yarn's in the back. I really can't do that. So what I need to do is I need to take my working yarn and pull it between my 2 needles. Okay, did you see that? This is my stance when I'm knitting. This is my stance when I'm purling with the working yarn in front. So to get a purl stitch in there, I'm just taking my working yarn and pulling it between my 2 needles. Now I'm going to go down through the top of the loop, take my working yarn, yarn over, push it up, slide it off. Let's do that again. In from the top, yarn over, push it up, slide it off. So I think that's important. And then if I wanted to knit, just pull it right back out through the center there. And you can see I have all my knits and 2 purls. And then I can just continue on knitting as I normally would. So that's how you do a purl in the middle of a line. Hope that helps to clarify. If you have any questions, you can always ask. Happy knitting!